Welcome back to chessopenings.com. In this video, I'd like to remind people that I'm available for private chess lessons, which you can find out about at www.chessopenings.com/lessons. Many of my students have gained hundreds of rating points as a result of my very effective training methods. Depending on the student, in some cases we've worked on openings, in some cases tactics, other cases endings, master games, analysis of games. There are many different techniques which I've developed and utilized in order to help students progress. The lessons are done via Skype, using screen shares, and also in some cases email homework as well. I hope you'll join me for lessons and visit the website listed below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.